Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Creating a multi-user login system in Laravel involves setting up authentication for different user roles. Below is a step-by-step tutorial that guides you through the process of creating a multi-user login system in Laravel. Step 1. Set up Laravel project. If you haven't already, you need to create a new Laravel project. You can do this by running bash composer create project prefer dist Laravel/Laravel multi-user login. Navigate to the project directory. Bash cd multi-user login. Step 2. Configure database. Set up your database in the .env file. You should have something like this. Plain text. db_connection equals mysql. db_host equals 127.0.0.1. db_port equals 3306. db_database equals your_database_name. db_username equals your_username. db_password equals your_password. Step 3. Run authentication scaffolding. Laravel provides an easy way to scaffold the authentication system. Run the following command to install the authentication scaffolding. Bash composer require Laravel/UI. PHP artisan UI vu auth. npm install and npm run dev. Step 4. Create user roles. You need to create a roles table to differentiate between user types. Create a migration for roles. Bash PHP artisan make migration create _roles_table create equals roles. In the migration file, database/migration/xxxx_xx_xx_create _roles_table.php, add the following code. PHP public function up. Schema create, roles, function, blueprint $table. $table-id. $table-string, name, -unique. $table-timestamps. Create a migration for users to include a role_id. Bash PHP artisan make migration add _role_id_to_users_table table equals users. Add the following code in the migration file. PHP public function up. Schema table, users, function, blueprint $table. $table-foreign id, role_id, -constrained, roles, -after, id. Run the migrations. Bash PHP artisan migrate. Step 5. Seed the roles table. Create a seeder for roles. Bash PHP artisan make seeder roles table seeder. In the roles table seeder.php, add the following code. PHP use illuminate \database\seeder. Use app \models\role. Class roles table seeder extends seeder. Public function run. Role create, name equals admin. Role create, name equals user. Run the seeder. Bash PHP artisan db seed class equals roles table seeder. Step 6. Modify user registration. In app/http/controllers/auth/register-controller.php, modify the create method to assign a role to new users. For example, you can assign all new users as user. PHP protected function create, array $data. Return user create. Name equals $data name. Email equals $data email. Password equals $make, $data password. Role_id equals 2, / assuming user role ID is 2. Step 7, create middleware for role check. Create middleware to check user roles. Bash PHP artisan make middleware check role. In app/http/middleware/check role.php, add the following code. PHP namespace app /http/middleware. Use closure. Use illuminate /http/request. Use illuminate /support /facades /auth. Class check role. Public function handle, request $request, closure $next, $role. If, auth check, auth user, -role -name, == $role. Return redirect, // or any other route. Return $next, $request. Step 8, register middleware. In app/http/kernel.php, register your new middleware. PHP protected $root middleware equals // role equals /app /http /middleware /check role class. Step 9, protect roots. In root/web.php, protect your roots based on user roles. PHP root group, middleware equals auth, role admin, function. Root get, /admin, admin controller class, index, -name, admin.index. Root group, middleware equals auth, role user, function. Root get, /user, user controller class, index, -name, user.index. Step 10, testing. Now that everything is set up, you can test your application. 1. Register a new user, they will be assigned a user role. 2. Create an admin user directly in the database or through a seeder. 3. Try accessing /admin with a regular user, it should redirect. 4. Try accessing /user with both user roles, it should work. Conclusion. You have successfully created a multi-user login system in Laravel. You can expand this by adding more roles, customizing views based on roles, and improving security as needed. Feel free to explore Laravel's documentation for more advanced features and best practices.